In exercise 12.4, question 2 is, in the given rectangle ABCD, if AC is 15 centimeter, then find the A part, length of OD. In rectangle, diagonals are equal and bisect each other. So here in ABCD rectangle, diagonal AC is equal to BD. Means measurement of both is 15 centimeter. And OD is half of 15 centimeter. So length of OD is 15 divided by 2, 7.5 centimeter. B. Length of OA. By same reason, length of OA also 7.5 centimeter. C is length of BD. Diagonals AC and BD are of same length. If AC is of 15 centimeter, then BD also measures 15 centimeter. D is length of CD. Length of CD is 12 centimeter because it is opposite of side AB and in rectangle opposite sides are equal. E is length of DA. Length of DA is 9 centimeter as it is opposite of side BC. Now question 3 is, in the given square ABCD, AC is equal to 4 under root 2 centimeter and AB is 4 centimeter. Then find the, and this A is length of OD. In square, diagonals are equal and bisect each other. So length of diagonals AC and BD is same, 4 under root 2 centimeter. And length of OD is just half of 4 under root 2 centimeter, that is 2 under root 2 centimeter. B is length of OA. With same reason, length of OA will be 2 under root 2 centimeter. C is length of BD. Length of BD is 4 under root 2 centimeter because diagonals are equal in length. Now D is angle ADO. In square, diagonals bisect the interior angles. So angle ADO measures half of 90 degree is equal to 45 degree. E is angle AOD. Measurement of angle AOD will be 90 degree because diagonals are perpendicular bisectors on each other in square, or diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. Now question 4 is, the ratio of length and breadth of a rectangle is 5:3 and perimeter is 56 centimeter. Find the length and breadth of the rectangle. The ratio of length and breadth of a rectangle given 5:3. If we take length 5x and breadth 3x, then by using formula of perimeter of a rectangle, 2 into length plus breadth, we get an equation 56 is equal to 2 into 5x plus 3x. 56 is perimeter of rectangle given. We get here 56 is equal to 2 into 5x plus 3x, that is 8x, and 2 multiplied by 8x gives 16x. By transposing, we get value of x, 56 divided by 16, 3.5. Now length of rectangle is 5 into 3.5, 17.5 centimeter, and breadth is 3 into 3.5, 10.5 centimeter. Now question 5 is, the side of a square is 8 centimeter. What is the perimeter of the square? Perimeter of square formula is 4 into side. Then we take given side length with formula and get 4 into 8, 32 centimeter. So perimeter of a square is 32 centimeter whose side measures 8 centimeter.